In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jotform account. First, open any browser on your device and type Jotform into the search bar. Press Enter to initiate the search. Once the results load, scroll through the page until you find the official link to the Jotform website. Click on this link to access their homepage. Once you arrive at the website, you'll see multiple sign-up options displayed on the front screen. You can sign up using a Google account, a Microsoft account, or simply by using your email. Additionally, if you click on the Sign Up for Free button at the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll be presented with even more sign-up options. These include signing up with a Facebook account or an Apple ID. If you decide to sign up using your email, simply enter your email address in the designated field and then click Continue. After that, you'll be asked to provide a name for your account and create a password. Be sure to tick the checkbox confirming that you agree to Jotform's terms of service. Next, if prompted, complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you are not a robot. Once all of this is done, click on Sign Up again to finalize the process. Your Jotform account will now be successfully created. From here, you can begin using the platform and start building forms immediately. And that's how you can create a Jotform account.